It's time for kick out. B, that's copyrighted. You can't say that. You little nick. So, Bobby, Slingy, and Coney, you three are up for elimination. And let's see how much votes we got. Slingy is safe with a total of 0 votes. Again. It's down to Bobby and Coney. Who will get out and who will be safe? Let's see what happens. Coney, you're eliminated.
No!
Your first challenge with me is to build me a house. How original. Go! Who's that right next to you, V? Co-host. Go. Cloudy's safe. These 4 are safe. Here's these dumbasses. Here's the scoreboard. Vote in the comments for either Donut or Paddle to be eliminated. Voting ends April 27th, 2024. Thanks for watching.